How to get $20 PayPal cash every day on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on You at the bottom. Scroll down and head over to Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You can see the PayPal gift card in Redeem Cash, so you need to click on it. Tap on Start and then tap on Refer Friends and earn some star coins together. Tap to share your refer on WhatsApp with your friends. Once you have shared it with your friend, you'll receive coins which will help you to level up. And then you'll be able to redeem PayPal cash every day. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to get $20 PayPal cash every day from Temu. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.